Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the workspace and bootstrapping a React project so you can focus on extension specifics. Install Node and a package manager, then run Vite or create React app to generate a lightweight shell. Once done, add a manifest. JSON configured for manifest v3 includes small icons and create a minimal pop-up HTML that mounts your React build. Make sure to enable developer mode in Chrome and load the unpacked extension to verify the initial files appear. Now connect your React UI to extension runtime logic by creating a background service worker and content scripts. Configure packaging so your React build outputs into the extension folder and reference the built.js in pop-up and content script entries of manifest. JSON. Implement structured messaging between pop-up, background, and content scripts using Chrome. Runtime. Send message and on-message listeners. This allows state synchronization and cross-origin requests. Also request only necessary permissions in the manifest to avoid overprovisioning. Finish by creating build scripts and testing thoroughly across pages and reload cycles. Run npm build to generate production assets, then load the unpacked extension and inspect the pop-up, service worker, and content script consoles to catch runtime errors. Once done, optimize assets, update manifest version, and prepare a zipped package for publishing. If something goes wrong, first verify manifest. JSON syntax, ensure content script URL matches, and confirm permissions, often a missing host permission or incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.